Residents of Mucwini Sub County in Kitgum District are once again facing serious threats to their livelihoods after stray elephants from Kidepo Valley National Park invaded the area, destroying banana plantations and other food crops. The situation was captured on video by Omara Steven, also known as Dwon Lwak, a community activist and citizen journalist who documented the elephants moving through farmland and damaging crops. Now, through citizen reporting, Omara has used his camera to bring the concerns of affected residents to wider public attention while appealing to authorities to intervene. Hear him cry in local language when he saw the elephants destroying a maize garden.
Yes, Omara Steven Dwon Lwak. I think I long any malupe kigenma kubirchan take a time. I am Mucwini Sub County malubu log miliage kiber kanene liage kubirchawane take a chamo poro padang mate Mucwini matek tutwal Sub County chilegana tutwal chirbord jume uwa minene kidmila rodan mate Mucwini ware dulpaleni ni goriem po wandan yo porwen ko padano machala uno tela kachel ko paradisi kidul pa security minene nene unen kidmila rodano matie yo Mucwini Sub County anan kurcha malo ati life kan kamaliti yene kiber kanana kubircha wani petima bet twal mana ye report na tamera twal ata unen kiragini don kere don full and kergi war mi don ma terada ara for ba mi dugum.
The elephants are reported to frequently stray Kidepo Valley National Park into neighboring sub-counties in Kitgum District, including Mucwini, Orom, and Namukora, and also Agweng District. In Mucwini, residents say the animals often follow local water sources, including Ayala stream in Agweng Village, Pubec Parish, before entering gardens. Their presence has caused significant concerns among communities, particularly farmers whose livelihoods depend heavily on agriculture, and have also caused loss of life. Banana plantations and maize and other food crops have been damaged, raising fears about food security and household incomes. The movement of elephants near homes and schools has also created fear among residents and school children. In response, some communities have attempted to form human barriers to guide the elephants away from populated areas and back towards the park. However, residents say such measures are risky and cannot provide a permanent solution. Local leaders and communities have repeatedly called for sustainable government intervention to address the recurring human-wildlife conflict. The government has previously considered several measures to reduce the movement of elephants out of Kidepo Valley National Park. President Museveni directed the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities and the Uganda Wildlife Authority to plan for the construction of electric fences along sections of the park boundary to prevent wildlife from entering neighboring communities, but has been long in vain. Authorities have also explored improving water availability inside the park through the distilling of existing water points and the creation of additional water sources. The objective is to reduce the movement of elephants and other wildlife into communities in search of water, particularly during dry periods. For farmers in Mucwini, however, the latest footage is another reminder that human-wildlife conflict remains an urgent livelihood and food security challenge that the government is ignoring. Through citizen reporting and community activism, Omara Steven's documentation has amplified the voices of residents who are calling for practical, lasting solutions before further destruction occurs and loss of lives.